Okay, I'm gonna sing Repo the Genetic Opera, and I'm gonna sing Infected. I'm infected. I'm infected by your genetics. Shallow, I'm a doctor. Shallow, I'm your father. Oh, Shallow, that was close. Take your medicine. I'm infected by your genetics. Shallow, you're my patient. Shallow, be my patient. You had limitations. Don't go chasing flies. I can be protective. You cannot be reckless. That is expected when you are infected. I'm infected by your genetics. I'm infected by your genetics. Well, I don't think I can beat this. Well, I don't think I can be next. Now tell me why, oh why are my genetics such a bitch? It's this blood condition, damn this blood condition. Mother, can you hear me? Thanks for the disease. Thank you, mistrusted part of the collection. That's what's expected when you are infected. That's what's expected when you are infected. That's what's expected when you are infected. How much of it's genetics? How much it is fate? How much it depends on the choices that we make. This is on the eyes of the love of everyday shame. On the place for the top to the top, and I have a shame. I'm infected by your genetics. I'm infected by your genetics, and I don't see the girl of this sick. All my dreams of a lifetime is spent. It really makes no difference if I know I will never be fixed. Tell me why, oh why are my genetics such a bitch?